Guys, what's going on? So it's another week of shipping and we're getting a little rain today, and I'm in the shipping house, and something I'm gonna tell you guys right away. In the first few weeks I was helping with this process and things got crazy. I've got 2 guys that help full-time in here for the shipping. Today we just have 1. Got about 26 orders going out today, all different types of plants, seeds, and ant stations. I'm gonna show you guys around a little bit. I flew the drone through here too. Hold tight. All right, so I'm seeing some first-time shipped items here today. We've got the Yaccoon available now. I didn't even know that. I can't keep up myself. This is one makes an interesting kind of potato-ish. I wouldn't say potato like root crop. Definitely one that I've seen better crops with if it's left in the ground about 2 years. Got lots of different banana varieties. This is the ice cream Namois. A lot of confusion in the banana industry with the True Blue Java ice cream. One of our commercial growers here in Florida decided to name this one ice cream. It is not the True Blue Java ice cream. I think it's actually better. That's a Namois Asian variety. Just talked about this in my last little update video. We've got some of those Everglades tomatoes going out. I've got 4-inch elderberry available now, the Sandhill Select. We've got 4-inch Mexican sunflower now available. And you can see cranberry hibiscus. Looks like we've got some of the, is that some sage over there? Oh, lavender in the corner, okay. A passion fruit, some of that callaloo, some of the dragon's breath, some longevity spinach, a couple of the everbearing mulberries, world best. Oh, super excited to see these guys starting to go out. We've got pretty limited variety of these available, but this is that variegated nopales or prickly pear, and really cool looking. I love that yellow and green in the variegation. You can eat these, so you can actually eat the young pads on these, delicious cooked. Go really nice with like some eggs or something, or you can just eat them fresh. Got some rue available, got some yarrow, another medicinal herb, and you can see we've got tags for all of these things, and we got the botanical name on there, the website. Pretty excited to be stepping up our game there. Moringa now available again in 1 gallons. That is the Chief, what do they want to call this? Chief Kubo's Prize. That's another one that AgroStarch decided to name. Some perennial peanut, some sunshine mimosa. All of these are nitrogen fixing. This is a sensitive plant. What do you got? Longevity spinach? Okay. So not a plant, but I'll tell you, you guys have given me some feedback on our shipping. A couple of people mentioned that they've gotten things dried out. So anything that leaves the state of Florida now gets shredded paper on top of it, thanks to one of you all. Moistened, kind of laid on the top of the pot, helping to hold that moisture in there for that extra long travel period. So lots of different boxes. You could see when we started doing this in the beginning, I was actually laying plants flat, using all different shapes and sizes of boxes. We're kind of starting to narrow that down a little bit and really starting to tend to lean towards more of the taller upright box. What that allows us to do is really to keep the plant in their full size. We do put nice stickers on here now saying live plants, handle upright, put arrows typically on the tall boxes. You guys can see we actually roll that tracking trailer right into the barn now. Makes it a lot easier than pulling those things off the ground. Pull off of there, that's our second trailer we brought in today. Basically all the girls pull all that material a few hours before it's time to ship, so they pulled it at the end of the day yesterday, shipped out first thing this morning. A lot of times they're pulling it first thing in the morning. This way we're keeping that stuff really moist and ready to go. I'm barely able to keep these Ant Pro bait stations in stock. I'm down to like my last 12. These things are on back order. I hope to have some more available for next week, but stuff has been flying off the shelves. These things work great. Hats and shirts, I just ordered more hats. I've got a couple of green left, a couple of black and white. Can barely keep those things in stock. So, and that's because of you all. So thank you guys for the support. We can barely keep up with the plant demand, the merchandise demand, the ant demand. It all has been pretty exciting and awesome. So thank you guys for check out the online store. Look at all the amazing work Amanda's been doing. She's constantly on there updating stuff, adding new plants every week. She puts a lot of effort into that, and we are about to get soaked. So hope you guys enjoyed this quick shipping update nursery video. If you liked it, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, maybe go ahead and do so. And most importantly, what do we do around here? We pound plants, we pound dirt, we pound dirt.